Finding the perfect mattress can completely change your sleep game. And with so many options, how do you know which one suits your unique style? Today, I'll guide you through choosing the best mattress at IKEA based on your sleep position. Let's dive in. Understanding different sleeping positions. We all sleep differently: back, side, stomach, or a little bit of everything. And the mattress you choose depends on how you sleep. For back sleepers, you'll want something supportive to keep your spine aligned. A medium firm mattress is perfect for avoiding lower back pain. Side sleepers, on the other hand, need a softer surface to cushion your hips and shoulders, preventing pressure points. Stomach sleepers? A firmer mattress is your best friend to avoid sinking too deep and misaligning your spine. Combination sleepers, those who shift positions, will want a balanced mattress that adapts to every sleep style. The right mattress tailored to your needs doesn't just improve comfort, it promotes better sleep quality and healthier mornings. Mattress types at IKEA. IKEA offers a fantastic range of mattresses that cater to various needs, each designed for different sleep preferences. Here's a quick guide. Firmness levels. Soft, ideal for side sleepers who need pressure relief. Medium, perfect for back sleepers, providing the ideal balance of comfort and support. Firm, best for stomach sleepers, keeping your body aligned and preventing sinking. Material options. Memory foam, great for side sleepers. It molds to your body, relieving pressure on your hips and shoulders. Plus, it contours to every curve for customized support. Pocket springs. Back sleepers, this one's for you. The pocket springs offer great support, promoting spinal alignment while allowing for airflow to keep you cool. Hybrid mattresses. If you're a combination sleeper, hybrid mattresses that combine foam and pocket springs offer the perfect mix of flexibility, support, and comfort. Whichever type you choose, IKEA ensures you're not just buying a mattress, you're investing in a better night's sleep. Mattress recommendations for each sleeping style. Here are some specific mattress recommendations for every sleep position. For back sleepers, try the Vegstranda or Morgedal mattress. Both offer medium firmness and excellent support to keep your spine aligned. The Morgedal foam mattress is particularly durable and helps with long-term comfort. It's the perfect choice for a well-rested back. For side sleepers, the Sun mattress is a great option if you sleep on your side. Its softer feel cushions your hips and shoulders, which helps reduce pressure and supports your natural sleeping posture. You'll wake up without those annoying aches in the morning. Memory foam models are also ideal for side sleepers, as they relieve pressure and mold to your body's shape. For stomach sleepers, Spigda is a firmer mattress that ensures your spine stays aligned, providing solid support for your lower back and neck. Its firmness prevents any sinking, so you can rest without worrying about discomfort. For combination sleepers, you need flexibility, and the Sun hybrid mattress is your best bet. With a mix of foam and pocket springs, this mattress adapts to every sleeping position, offering comfort, support, and an undisturbed night's sleep, whether you're on your back, side, or stomach. Tips for testing and choosing the right mattress. When you're shopping for your mattress at IKEA, don't just go by the tag. It's crucial to test out the mattress in person. Lie down in your preferred sleeping position and see how it feels. Spend a few minutes testing it. Testing firmness, comfort, and support is key. If you're shopping online, check the return policy and sleep trial options. IKEA offers a sleep trial that lets you test the mattress in the comfort of your home, so you can make sure it's perfect for you. Remember, the right mattress isn't just about comfort. Think about your body type and any specific preferences, like how hot or cool you sleep. For example, memory foam tends to retain heat, which may not be ideal if you sleep warm. IKEA offers mattresses in a range of prices, so there's an option for every budget, while still ensuring quality and durability. Care and maintenance. Proper care will extend the life of your mattress, so take a few simple steps to keep it in great condition. Regularly rotate and flip your mattress to prevent uneven wear. For memory foam, use a mattress protector to guard against stains and help maintain its shape. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's cleaning guidelines. Typically, spot cleaning with a mild detergent is recommended. Also, don't forget to check IKEA's mattress warranty. It's a great safety net in case you run into any issues or defects with your mattress. Having peace of mind with your purchase is always important. Choosing the perfect mattress isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Whether you're a back, side, stomach, or combination sleeper, IKEA has the right mattress to improve your sleep. Head over to IKEA today, test out your options, and say goodbye to sleepless nights.